Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. Children, hope you all are doing well. So children, in our last class we have discussed about the certain important things that needed for an internet connection. Okay, so did you go through it? Is it clear to you now? Okay children, so today let's discuss about the web browser and search engine and also different harmful aspects of the internet. Okay, so what do you mean by web browser? Do you know? Yes, so we need a web browser in order to access any web page or websites on the internet. The web browser means it is a software application or program that will allow us to find and access millions of web pages. So here I told you it is a program. And program means that are written in different programming languages. So here the websites or web pages are written in codes like HTML, that is hypertext markup language. So what is the role of web browser here? The web browser translates these codes into graphical form which can be seen and read by the user. Okay, not only that, web browser converts websites and web pages which is delivered through hypertext transfer protocol into human readable content. Okay, and here are some examples of web browser: Google Chrome, Windows Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, etc. And in which the Google Chrome, it is one of the most widely used web browsers across the world. Okay, so what do you mean by search engine? Yes, children, do you have a confusion between these two terms, web browser and search engine? Yes, they are two different things. Okay, so if you know the exact name of the website, so you type its URL in the address box of the web browser just like this. Okay, so when you click on any web browser, you can see a window just like this. So if you know the name of the website that you want to visit, you can type its URL directly in the address box of the web browser. So here you can see it is the address box of the web browser, and after that you can hit the enter key. Okay, but if you want to search for some particular information, then we use a search engine. So search engine, it is also a website, but it does not have any information of its own, which means when you click a keyword like Google, whatever it is, on the search box, okay, so what will happen? Yes, it will show you a list of websites which is related to the keyword that you have entered. So keywords means they are words that help the search engine search for relevant websites. Okay. And after you enter the keywords, you have to press the enter key so that the search engine will show you a list of websites. And from that, you have to find out the correct website that you want to reach out. Okay. So that is the difference between the web browser and search engine. Okay. Now let us discuss about the harmful aspects of the internet, in which the first one is hacking. So what is hacking? It means cracking through the security system of a website and gaining access to sensitive information of the user without his or her consent. For example, if somebody is trying to get into your account, like you have an email account, so somebody is trying to hack your email account and get into your account. So that's what meant by hacking. So in order to remain protected, what we should do? Yes, we should have a strong password for all the accounts that we are using. Okay, and the next one is virus. Okay, so computer virus, it is a type of code or program that can change the way a computer operates. Okay, so there are different websites available on the internet. Okay, so when you click on some website, some malicious website, what will happen? The virus will enter into your computer, or it can enter through any external storage device like USB and damage your computer. So in order to protect your computer from virus, we should always have an updated version of antivirus. So what is antivirus? It is a software that protects your computer from virus attacks. And what does it do? It creates a wall between your computer and malicious content and does not let any infected code or program reach your computer. Okay. And the next is online friends. Children, most of the people on internet are strangers. Okay, so try to avoid making friends over the internet. And the next is using your credit or debit cards with caution. Children, as we all know, online shopping, it is a service provided by the internet. But the thing is that if we are going for online shopping, we have to enter the bank details in order to pay online. So be cautious when you enter the bank details. So never shop from a website which you do not trust. Children, it is better not to share your card details with anyone. So children, be careful while browsing on the internet. So these are the certain harmful aspects of internet. Yes, we have completed our chapter 6, that is internet. Read your textbook and also learn the notes that I am attaching along with this class. Okay, so try to do it and learn. Okay, that's better, so that you will understand more about each topics. So that's all for today. Let's see in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, take care. Bye.